might hit the canvas, but baby, who you need me.
Hey guys, today I'll be showing you guys how I got this makeup look right here. Perfect for my beginners out there. Anybody could do this look because it's just super easy. So I hope you guys like it. I already primed my face with my NYX Angel Veil primer, one of the best primers out there. It reminds me a lot of the Professional Primer by Benefit, so I highly recommend it. But anyways, I did apply foundation as well, and now I am applying some concealer, and this one is by Maybelline. Everything will be listed down below. Sorry if I'm talking a little bit low. It's currently like 1 a.m. and everybody's sleeping, so I'm trying to be quiet. So sorry about that. Now I'm blending everything together with my beauty blender. It's not a beauty blender, it's a beauty sponge. This one is by Morphe. I'm also going to be baking under my eyes, where I pretty much apply concealer, and I'm just using my Makeup Revolution translucent powder in the color Banana. To bronze my face, I'm using Hoola by Benefit, and this brush is by e.l.f. and it's called a complexion brush. I know you guys are probably like, girl, when are you gonna sit down and actually talk to us and not do a voiceover? It's coming very soon, you guys. I'm so sorry about that. I know I said I was gonna do more talk through videos, but I did order some new stuff and everything's gonna look better, and you guys are gonna hear me like a lot better too, you know. So just bear with me because I have a lot of videos coming that are super exciting, and this is like how you guys are gonna know more about me, so I'm pretty excited about that, so just stay tuned. The blush I'm using is also by Benefit, and it's called Dandelion. You guys know I live for this blush because it's not too pink and not too orange either. It's just like the perfect blush, and I did apply some highlight just all over my face, you know. Now moving on to the eyes, I am applying Rossiana and Burnt Orange on the crease with my Morphe M441. Now this look is super easy to do, so like I said, I'm just applying this color on the crease. The next color I'll be applying on the crease with my Morphe M441 brush is called Love Letter, and the reason I didn't show the colors was because I completely forgot, but you guys know what colors I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm just applying this on the crease, blending it with the other colors I had already applied there. And then I'm going to go back with my Morphe M441 brush to blend everything together. The color I'll be applying on my eyelid is called Buon Fresco, and I'm applying this with a Carity brush. This one is the E32, and I'm just applying this all over my entire eyelid. It's a really pretty purplish color. It's not too purple, but it's just like a nice lavender, dark lavender color. I'm pretty much gonna build up this color, and I did apply this color like a good 2 times or so, but I just really wanted this color to pop out, so I just went back and applied a little bit more and went back with my Morphe M441 to blend everything together. The lashes I'll be using for today's look are by Koko lashes, and these are the Queen Bees. I'm highlighting my brow bone with the color from the Renaissance palette called Vermeer, and I'm also going to be highlighting the inner corners of my eye. Moving on to lips, I'm using my lip gloss by MAC. This one is called Please Me. I'm also going to be setting my eyebrows because I always forget to do that. I don't know why, probably because I'm just too into my makeup. But then I'm also going to be setting my whole entire face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water. And once that is finished, this look is all complete. I hope you guys loved it. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. And also to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I love you guys, and I will see you guys on my next video.